Today, my friends Liyana and I, Nurul, Fatin, Asyikin, Binti, Abdul, Razak, gonna talk about Diels-Alder reaction experiment. Diels-Alder reaction is stereospecific. The end result is determined by the direction of the butadiene bond rotation in addition to the relative orientations of the butadiene and dinuclide at the transition state. This is examples of Diels-Alder reaction between 1,3-butadiene and ethene that produce a cyclohexene. Tools are very important in the advancements of science. The type of tools that we choose and design depends on the problems they are trying to solve. This video shows the equipment used in Diels-Alder reaction. A BUCHNER funnel is used for the vacuum-assisted filtration and separations of liquid substances. It allows us to filtrate liquid by pulling them through qualitative filter paper and perforation in the top of the funnel using a vacuum pump. The purpose of the condenser is to cool the vapor of the components of the mixture, allowing them to condense the liquid form and be collected. The purpose of the fractionating column is to achieve an extensive liquid-vapor interface so that equilibrium between ascending vapor and reflux can be rapidly attained. ERLENMEYER FLASK is used to hold, heat, transport, store liquid and mix chemicals. A cool bath is a liquid mixture which is used to maintain low temperature. This low temperature is used to collect liquid after distillation, to remove solvent using evaporator, or perform a chemical reaction below room temperature. Infrared spectrometry is used to study and identify chemical substance or functional group in solid, liquid, or gas. A melting point apparatus is a scientific instrument used to determine the melting point of the substance. Round bottom flask usually used in distillations as distilling flask and receiving flask for the distillated. It also often used to contain chemical reaction, especially for reflux setups and laboratory scale synthesis. A steam bath is relatively way to heat flammable organic liquid. Thermometer is an instrument that measures temperature. It can measure the temperature of a solid, liquid, or gas. The common unit of the measurement of temperature is Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Next is I want to talk about method. First is preparations of cyclopentadiene. Firstly, put 40 ml dichloropentadiene into a 100 ml round bottom flask. Later on, complete the setup with a fractional distillation column, which is variable column and condenser for distillation. Second step is cool the collector flask, which is 100 ml ERLENMEYER flask in the ice bath. Lastly, boil the dichloropentadiene and distill at 40 to 43 Celsius.
My name is Nadhirah Liyana Binti Zuki. We proceed to the second part, which is reaction between cyclopentadiene with MALEIC anhydride. Firstly, we dissolve the 3 gram fine powder of MALEIC anhydride into 10 ml of ethyl acetate by steam warming. Second, we add 10 ml Ligron and cool the mixture in the ice bath. Next, we mix the 2.5 gram cyclopentadiene that obtained from the procedure's preparation of cyclopentadiene and shake the exothermic mixture in the ice bath until it precipitates as white solid form. We heat the mixture using steam until it dissolves and let it crystallize. Step, we filter the crystal form by using BUCHNER funnel. Last, we weigh the product obtained, which is the product is crystal.